How to print a test page with the HP LaserJet Tank 1020, 1500, 2500, and HP LaserJet Tank MFP 1005, 1600, 2600 printer series. By pressing a combination of buttons on your printer, you can print several different reports containing important information on your printer and its status. Before printing any of the reports in this video, make sure your printer is powered on and in a ready state. Print an information report. An information report provides a summary of important printer information such as the product name, serial number, and PIN code. This report also contains basic information on the current status of the printer. On the printer control panel, press the Information button. The information report prints. Print a configuration report. A configuration report contains most of the data included in the information report, but with a more in-depth analysis of information such as supply status, event log, energy settings, and web services status. On the printer control panel, press and hold the Information button for 5 seconds to enable support mode. All buttons on the control panel then light up. Press the Resume button. For the HP LaserJet Tank 1020 printer series, you need to press and hold the Resume button for 5 seconds. The configuration report prints. Print a wireless network test report. This report displays information on your printer's wireless connection and a network diagnostic summary. A wireless network test report is for wireless models only. To print this report, the printer must be connected to an active wireless network. On the printer control panel, press and hold the Information button for 5 seconds. All buttons on the control panel then light up. Press the Information button and the Resume button at the same time. The wireless network test report prints. Print a network summary page. This report displays general information about the wireless network that your printer is connected to. A network summary page is only available on the HP LaserJet Tank MFP 1005, 1600, 2600 printer series wireless models only. To print this report, the printer must be connected to an active wireless network. On the printer control panel, press and hold the Resume button for 3 seconds. The network summary page prints. Print and adjust alignment test page. If you are noticing that pages are printing with images not fully centered on the page, an adjustment alignment test page helps realign your printer. Open the HP Smart app and select your printer. Select Advanced Settings. Note: for Windows 7 and 8 users, open HP Printer Assistant, select Print, and then click Printer Homepage, EWS. Select System, and then Service. If prompted, enter the username and password for the printer. If you have not changed the password, you can find both the username and password, or PIN, on the label beneath the toner access door. In the Adjust Alignment section, from the Tray 1 Size drop-down list, select the size, and then enter the values for X1 shift, X2 shift, and Y shift. Select Print Test Page. The Adjust Alignment test page prints. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.